Hi guys, I'm Alpha Blue and I'm a forex trader and you're welcome to my channel. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how I was able to make over $5,000 through affiliate marketing. So if you want to see how I made over $5,000, just stick till the end of this video and I'm going to show you with the proof of how I was able to make $5,000 through affiliate marketing. So just in case you don't know what affiliate marketing is, but before I tell you what affiliate marketing is, if you're someone that has a YouTube channel or your website or you're a content creator, in fact, even if you're not a content creator, you don't have a YouTube channel, you don't have a website, but you have a social media platform like you're on YouTube, you're on Facebook or Twitter or any of these social media platforms, then you should definitely go into affiliate marketing. If you're not into affiliate marketing, then I wonder why. Like, affiliate marketing is easy money. It's one very easy way you can make money without stress, like zero stress. You're not going to do anything. All you're going to do is just put your link out there, and then one day you just come check your dashboard and you're seeing money. You're seeing $100, $200, or whatever the amount may be. So affiliate marketing is one very simple way you can make money, and you should not slack on this. I'm sure you must have been hearing affiliate marketing since probably the day you were born, but you've not taken any step. You've not done anything in that regard. Trust me, you're just like wasting an opportunity you can use to make money, guys. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply when you refer someone to buy a product or a service and then you get a commission for doing that. Affiliate marketing is just when you help a company or someone sell their product or their service and then they pay you a commission for doing that. It's as simple as that. Now, aside from affiliate marketing can even be done like offline. It's not necessarily online. Like, for instance, now you have a friend that sells, let's say, clothes. He sells t-shirts, right? So he now tells you that help me sell this t-shirt. For anyone you sell, I'm going to pay you, let's say, 1,000 naira or $1 or $2 from me. That's simply what affiliate marketing is. So right now, currently, almost everybody that sells a product or a service online or offline runs an affiliate program. Almost like, think of whatever you can think of, whatever it is, there's always an affiliate program attached to it. There are only very few people, and those people are probably people that don't know the potential of affiliate marketing, because as far as you know the potential or the importance of affiliate marketing, there's no reason why you should not be running an affiliate marketing if you're selling a product or a service. So you have these very big e-commerce companies like Amazon. They are like the very popular ones that run an affiliate marketing program where you go create an account with them, then they give you a link, then you share that link. That link will direct people to go to their website to buy a product, and then whenever they make a purchase, you will get a commission from that purchase. Sometimes it's not even small. It can be as much as 10%, 20% to 30% of the value of that product that you've just sold. So aside from the big e-commerce companies like Amazon, you have many different products online, both software companies, both people that are selling their courses or their books or whatever you can think of. They all run affiliate programs where you can go sign up, and then you share your link, or you recommend people you recommend their products to people, and then people will pay for their services or buy their product, and then you get paid. So one way I would recommend you do this is to do it according to your niche. So the best way to go about affiliate marketing is that you recommend products according to the niche you're in. So like me personally, I'm a forex trader. So what I do is I recommend products according to my niche. I recommend products that are in line with forex, that are in the forex industry. So I recommend like brokers, where you can come and sign up with a broker, create a brokerage account, deposit money and trade your money. I recommend brokers to people. I recommend like courses. I recommend like EAs. I recommend anything relating to forex. I will recommend it to my audience, and then whenever they make a payment or they purchase such products or services, I will then get a little percentage out of that. So that was how I was able to make up to $5,000, and I'm going to show you how. So for instance, let's say you are a baker and you make baking content. All you need to do is to refer people or share the link to the baking equipment you use in those videos. Then people go buy those equipment. Maybe it could be an oven or a mixer. People go buy those equipment, and then you get paid a certain percentage in commissions, right? Or you can as well you can recommend those ingredients you use. You show people where to go purchase those ingredients, and then you get paid your commissions. Whether you are even if you're a comedian, whatever you do in the world right now, as far as you have a social media platform, or you have a website, or you have a YouTube channel where you can put content out there, you can recommend anything, you can promote any product, you can promote betting sites, you can promote whatever you can think of, guys. So don't sleep on affiliate marketing. Even if you're not into content creation, even if you don't have a channel, why not create one? Or even on your personal social media handles, you can just put a product out there. Let's say, for instance, you used a particular skincare product, and the skincare product worked perfectly fine for you. It was very good on your skin and all of that. You can put that product out there and say, I used this product and it was very awesome. If you want to use the same product, you can go to this website and purchase it. Use this link to purchase the product. That's all. The website, whenever someone makes that purchase, you're going to be paid a certain percent out of the value the person paid for. You get? It's as simple as that. And once you put out that link, you don't do any other thing. You don't do it. You just sit down, and then when anybody makes a purchase, you get paid. So guys, what I did and how I was able to make up to $5,000, I'm going to show you right now. What I did was that I recommended a broker that I use, which is EXNESS. I use 3 brokers actually. I use EXNESS, I use Hot Forex, which is now HFM, and I also use Deriv. So what I do is I put out the link to sign up with these brokers on my YouTube channel, on my social media handles, and then when people sign up with these brokers and then they deposit and start trading, the spread the broker charges them, I get a certain percentage out of that charge. So that was just how I was able to make up to $5,000. And right now I'm going to take you to my EXNESS partners platform, EXNESS partners dashboard, and I'm going to show you how much I was able to make within a very short period of time by simply recommending, sharing my affiliate link on my YouTube and on other social media platforms. And the funny part is that I've not been monetized on YouTube yet. My YouTube channel is not yet monetized, so I've not made any money for posting videos on YouTube. But just because I've been able to attach my affiliate links on these YouTube videos, I've been able to generate money aside from YouTube revenue. So that's the funny part, that's the interesting part, and I want to encourage everyone out there that you should get into affiliate marketing. So guys, let me take you to my EXNESS dashboard and I show you how I've been able to accumulate $5,000. So see you guys there. So guys, this is my EXNESS partners dashboard. And just in case you don't know what EXNESS is a forex broker that offers you a trading account. You can sign up with them, create a trading account, deposit money in that account, and then you start trading the forex market. So they kind of provide you with liquidity, provide you with the trading environment where you can actually carry out your trading activity and then make money while trading. So what I did as a forex trader, I leveraged on this affiliate opportunity to partner with this broker, so that I share their link and recommend this broker to many other forex traders out there. So when they sign up using my link, my referral link, I then get a commission whenever they trade, because whenever the broker charges them for spreads, I get a little percentage of that spread the broker charges them, and then I get paid. So guys, I'm going to log into my EXNESS partners dashboard and show you guys how. Let me refresh this. How in a very short period of time I've been able to make a total of over $5,000 through just this very simple affiliate affiliate link. All right, so this is my EXNESS dashboard right now, and then let me show you guys. Currently, the amount of money that is in my balance is just 0.79 cents. So this is the amount of money that is there currently. But when you look at the total profit of the amount of money I've made right here, you see that I've made $5,969. This is the total amount of money that I have made with EXNESS just by sharing my link to people so that they can sign up and trade with EXNESS. So this actually happened within a very short period of time. This total amount of money, over $6,000, actually happened within a very short period of time. This was, I think, within just 3 to 4 months, I was able to accumulate a total of $5,969. So this amount of money is paid into your dashboard on a daily basis. So every day you wake up and you see profit. Sometimes I wake up, I see $100, $200. Different amount of money just keeps coming into your account on a daily basis. So far as people register with your link and then they fund their account and trade, you'll be getting a little amount of money paid into your dashboard. So all of this is actually dependent on the amount of money that is being traded by your clients that you refer. If your clients are just trading like $100, $200, the truth is you will not really see like much money on your dashboard here. You just see a little amount of money. But when they are trading huge capital, then the amount of commissions that you're going to be paid is also going to be very huge. So let me go down and show you. Let me show you reward history. So now this is my reward history. This is from January 2007 to January 2024. This is like for the whole of the period that I have been an affiliate with them, even though I've been an affiliate with them just, I think, 2 years now at most. But this is just capturing from like the beginning till now, right? So this is the date. Now, if you see here, you see profit $5,969, right? Then the total volume that has been traded in lot size is 1,006, and then the total volume in amount is 314. So you can see, guys, client ID. This is the ID of the clients that have been trading. Client account, you see different account numbers for different clients that have been trading on EXNESS using my referral link. So this just goes to show you how the potential of, I'm doing this just to show you the potential of, you know, affiliate marketing. This amount of money you see here, I didn't like break a sweat to do this. I just sleep, wake up, and then I see money in my wallet. I see money on my dashboard. So you can actually do affiliate marketing and make money from it very easily without stress, without stressing yourself, guys. Don't sleep on the opportunity to make money through affiliate marketing. And I'm not just referring people to only EXNESS. I'm also referring people to HFM, that's Hot Forex, to the Reef. On the Reef, I've probably withdrawn up to $2,000 from the Reef. HFM, I have currently like $18 sitting there, and so on and so forth, guys. So if you are making content, especially for those that are creating content, posting videos on YouTube, it's going to be very easy for you to just put your link out there, and then people are going to click on those links and then buy that product or subscribe to that service, and then you get a commission from doing that. And the good thing about this is, once you put the link, you don't need to do any other thing. You just put the link and forget about it. After maybe 2-3 months, even a year, you just check on your dashboard one day, and to your shock, you're going to see money sitting right there. Like this particular EXNESS account, it was just one day last year around June, I guess. I just saw $14 on my dashboard. I was like, what's this? I tried to withdraw it immediately to see whether it was real money, and then I placed a withdrawal and the money landed in my account, in my bank account. I was like, wow. So that was the first day I saw money there. I forgot about it. I came back after a while. I saw like $100, and that was like the money just kept accumulating. So without doing anything, just put your link out there, and before you know it, money is sitting on your dashboard. Even if you're not creating content, even if you don't have a website, as far as you have a social media platform where you have friends and followers, you can as well refer people to a product or to a service, and then you get paid for doing that. So guys, this is how I was actually able to make over $6,000 on EXNESS. I've made probably up to $2,000 on Derif, and I've made $18 on HFM. So guys, don't sleep on this idea I'm sharing to you. I hope this motivates you. I hope this inspires you to start your affiliate marketing journey. It's nothing serious. You don't need to really stress yourself. Just go there, create an account, an affiliate account, get the link, share it on your platforms, and then forget about it. One day you just wake up to see a lot of money on your dashboard. So I hope this inspires you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more. I'm going to be showing you more ways in which you can make money through affiliate marketing, through trading the forex market, and through many other means, guys. So like the video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.